how to set messaging notifications on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, tap the gear icon. In settings and privacy and preference section, you can see here the notifications. Okay, you can tap this. In notifications and what notifications you receive section, below of this, you can see here the messaging notification. Okay, you can tap this to set. And now you can disallow or allow the messaging notification on Facebook by switching on or off the switch button on the right side of this allow notification on Facebook. So for example, I turn off the messaging notification, and after you turn off the button, you can see the pop-up below. So select the turn off to successfully turn off the messaging notification. And if you want to turn on again, okay, you'll have to do switch on the switch button on the right side, and also you can set the where you receive this notification in push, email, and SMS. So you can turn on or off these settings. Okay, for example, I turn off the push, email, and SMS, and that's it. Okay, we have successfully set messaging notifications on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.